Welcome to the WallSlide operational video. Before operating van WallSlide, make sure to check that your environment is safe. For example, check for slippery surfaces, obstructions overhead and behind the van, harsh winds and uneven ground. When opening the rear doors of the van, open them up the entire way per the van's manufacturer's instructions. Before bringing any wall of the van WallSlide out, check again for anything that could cause the van doors to close unexpectedly that could cause harm or damage. When you deem that the environment is safe, proceed with the next step. Flip the light switch up to turn the LED strobe light on. The strobe light should be on anytime the wall is deployed outside of the vehicle. There are 4 buttons on the wall that direct the wall to stop and start. There are 2 emergency stops and 2 buttons that make the wall move out or in. Both emergency stops will stop the wall anytime if pressed. There is 1 emergency stop at the rear of the wall and 1 at the front of the wall. After the emergency stop has been pressed, to depress the emergency stop, rotate the button clockwise until the button depresses. At the end of the wall, press the in button to make the wall move inside the van. To make the wall move outside the van, hit the out button on the end of the wall. You can repress the button at any time to stop the wall at the desired location. Once the wall deploys to its full length, the wall will stop on its own. These in and out buttons are not to be used as the emergency stop. In case of an emergency, use the emergency stop button. Once the wall is fully inside the vehicle, it will stop on its own. Flip the light switch down to turn the LED strobe light off.